Good morning, students. Students, good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
I'm
Good morning,
sorry.
ma'am.
Good morning. I'm sorry, beta, because of
Good
this
morning.
first of all, some other system was been allotted to me, so it was not been getting started. Then again, I have to shift myself to some other room. It took time. I'm sorry for that. Mm, actually, it was a leave day for you all and for me also, but something happened that am not able to take the leave. We will take it on some other day. So why not to start with modals, right? Yes, Harshit, you
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
ask something? Harshit, you want to ask something, beta?
No, ma'am.
You raised your hand, that's why I thought. Fine. So without wasting a single minute, let's start our class. Okay. It's the PPT for of 9th class. Now I will move to the second PPT. Okay. Fine. Wow. Okay. So identify the verbs from the given paragraph, children. First of all, do this thing.
Facing.
Huh?
Facing.
Facing.
Facing. Then
Dangerous. Dangerous.
dangerous.
Precautions.
Okay. Okay.
Precaution.
Okay.
Hygiene.
Hygiene.
Mm. Then
Keep.
Keep. Keep.
hmm.
Keep.
Hmm. Then
Neat and
yes,
clean.
neat and clean. Okay, 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 fine. Now let us see the next one. This is just a recapitulation, right? Single concept models, double concept models. Okay, so let me show you. Who will tell me what is actually model according to you, children? What do you understand by the modals? It's not models, it's modals. What do you mean by modals actually? What do you understand? Who will tell me? This is a revision period, right? So I'm not going to teach you. You are going to teach me. Who will tell me what do you mean by modals? No one is there in my class today. The class is empty.
Modals is a type of verb which is generally used to depict some permission, obligation, ability, advice, and such.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is, they are a type of verbs which are used to express oneself.
Hmm. And and nothing else. Enough. Why do we use modals, dear? You said it to express oneself. Is everywhere modals needed for making any
Ma'am, something moody.
something?
Moody. Mood.
I got it. Mood. But will it explain to the layman's other students in my class, those who are present? I want to listen from them also. Girls, boys, Any one of you? What do you mean by modals, dear? The screen is in front of you. At least by this you can understand. Hmm? No answers from a single child. All are sleeping, that means. Right? All are sleeping? Khushi?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by modals, beta? I have taught you. What do you mean by modals? Can I get any answer from you, Khushi? Okay, not interested in answering. Tanushri? Tanushri? Good enough. Nice interactive class, you know. Only two students are there in my class, one Viram and another one is Nandika. Then you all will say that your ma'am is doing partiality. Right? Prajwal, Ayush, Lunia, I have to call the names of what? Divyansh is there, the regular one. Yes, Divyansh.
Ma'am, we can say it as a kind of verb for which we take or give permission, ask for some things, or means it's a means a special kind of means verb type.
A special
Where means
kind of verb, that's true, beta. I'm getting your point. But
huh,
what I mean to say,
May I?
who is?
Darshan.
Darshan. Yes.
We can say that models are the auxiliary verbs which express the ability.
Hmm. Hmm. Ability. So I'm getting the words like
Yes.
it is a type of a verb. It shows the moods,
advice,
advice. Someone is saying like
permission,
permission.
Obligation.
Possibility,
Yes.
Request.
Request.
etc.
Certainty.
Suggestion.
Certainty.
Orders.
Okay. So this is a type of verb. Now I hope so you all know what is transitive and intransitive verb. Do anyone know what is transitive and intransitive verb? Gitika? Gitika? Sleeping. Bhavi? Bhavi?
Ma'am, may I?
Who is it, beta?
Ma'am, Molly.
Molly. Yes.
Ma'am, transitive verb is which have an object and without an object, it will not make some sense. And intransitive verbs are which will make sense without any object also.
True. So this is what I just wanted to know from you all, that is what is transitive and what is intransitive verb. And likewise, we will move into the concept now. That is single concept modals and double concept modals, right? So I would like to ask from Astha, what do you mean by single concept modals? What are the modals which is in front of you? Will, might, should, ought to, had better. What do you mean by single concept modals? Astha, are you there in my class? Astha, I'm really getting disappointed today. Huh? Sambhav, Sambhav,
Yes, ma'am.
Sambhav. Sambhav, what do you mean by single concept modals? You can see the examples in front of you. Will, might, should, ought to, had better, right? Can you explain me? After completing the course, we have started with the revision. Yes, Nandika? Nandika?
Yes, ma'am. Single concept modals are those modals which have a single meaning only. According to the context, the meaning won't change.
Simple.
And double concept modals are those modals whose meaning will change according to the context of the sentence.
According to the context, and it also shows that it can be or it cannot be. Means both the sides are there. When we use this type of modals, double concept modals,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? At that
There is
time,
a chance of means 50%.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, here in may matlab means a chance of possibility of means it may happen or it may not happen, like these things.
Correct. And modals in past. Would have, could have, हो सकता था, should have, होना चाहिए था. We say na. So these are the modals in past. We have studied everything. See the condition dear, that what you all have studied. I am in shock actually. Priya, are you there? Priya? Are you there, beta? This is very disappointing. Akshar Jain?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, do you know what is modals? Any idea? Children, do you know what is modals, beta? Call me in the evening hours, huh? Akshar. Maitri? Maitri? Beta, you know one thing? By doing cheating or whatever we know, andaje se we say na, if we want to pass out in that manner, so you will pass out for 10th only, if by luck, by chance, if you pass out. But I'm telling you children, in your future, these questions are going to be raised for your all the classes, whether you are in 11th, 12th, college, means competitive exams, wherever you go. Is anyone trying?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. May I try?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, there are means any words which helps to express the feelings of anyone. That words are you can used as modals.
हाँ, ठीक है. Okay. But children, first point you should think is that modals is a part of a verb. ठीक है? First and foremost thing.
Modal is an auxiliary verb.
Yes. बोलो ना बेटा, मुंह खोलो. महावीर. Mahavir sleeping inside the.
Ma'am, what is auxiliary?
Who asked this?
Ma'am, me Akshar Jain.
Okay, wait. As because it's a revision class, na, this is going to be explained by our students only. Just wait for a while. Molly. Molly.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, please explain what do you mean by auxiliary?
Ma'am, auxiliary means giving help. Ma'am means giving some help, like to the modals we are giving some help or
No, I'm not saying that. What do you mean by the word auxiliary? If I ask you the meaning of word auxiliary, what do you mean by that?
Ma'am, may I say,
Yes.
ma'am, may I helping?
Ah, helping. Okay.
Providing support.
Support. Okay. Auxiliary verbs can be like shall, will, should, would, may, might, would. These are the auxiliary. Fine. So, Akshat, I think like I have to start explaining you, start from verbs. No problem, no issues, but clear your concept, beta. Okay. Sonal? Sonal? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Very
Yes, ma'am.
good morning. Sonal, do you know what is modals?
Yes, ma'am.
So, can you just tell me there are some exceptional rules related to modals?
It gives more information
It gives more information.
about the function. It gives more information about the main verb.
About the main verb. Okay. Fine. I asked some exceptional rules. Do anyone know? Vardhaman, do you know?
No, ma'am.
No.
I don't know.
Very good. Nice,
Ma'am,
Jenny.
I know one.
Yes, beta, please.
Ma'am, if a phrase or a clause has subjects in subjects, so it takes singular form of verb, like that he is honest, he is known to me. Means he is honest and that is known to me. So this will take singular verb.
I think so. I have made you all
And
write some exceptional rules. And I know you all have not written.
ma'am, many and
Yes.
many.
Hmm?
Ma'am, if many is coming before any singular noun, so the word will be singular. Like many a rose is brown to blush unseen.
Whether the concept is not being clear. Fine. Let me show you the words, the meaning and the examples. Can you see the screen? Modal, concept, examples. Will
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the future. Joe will travel to next year, next
York.
week. Might. Small probability. I might move to Canada someday. Okay. Then should. Recommendation. You should keep yourself away from mischief. Ought to. Formal recommendation. We ought to know about first aids. So these are the few things. Like the words are here, the concept is here, the examples are here. From Monday, I will again start from the beginning. I thought that you all know about modals very nicely, but what I am observing that hardly 20-30% students are answering me and rest are sleeping. So again, I have to start with modals. So it will take couple of days time. I was not knowing that this is the condition of my class. See, may has two meaning. May, first is the permission. Second, may is a good probability. Must, responsibility. Must, two is the assumption. Would, first type of meaning will be past, used to. When I was young, I used to play saucer. Would, present unreal. I would buy the car, but I can't afford it. Okay. So these are the things. I will again. I have to. The time is over. I think so. So what we have to do is we have to take care of the modals, and from Monday, Tuesday, at least 2 days, I will continuously take, and I will also take a class test on modals. Clear? Am I clear? Please go through the rules. And in competitive exams, beta, lot many questions have been asked from modals, so please do take care of it. It is a very important chapter. It looks very easy, but it's really confusing. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, I'm moving out because the time is over now. Fine. Thank you so much
Yes,
for
ma'am.
attending my class. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.